All right, guys, and the last one.
And the last one is
I love you.
Oh, that's so lovely.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis, or Joe Hatagwa, and I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in Accra, Ghana. And if you want to learn phrases like I love you and I miss you in Ghana Tree Akan, then this is the video for you. Today we're back again with TrueVonne. She's gonna give us the additional 10 phrases. On the last video, you got 25 phrases. Those were kind of like the key phrases, basic sentences, things you wanna say to help you get around if you wanna use the local language of Tree while you're here. Now, the interesting thing is there are more specific phrases. So after you've come here and you go back, maybe you've made some friends, there's some additional phrases that you can use, like I miss you, I love you, different things like that. So if you wanna know those, check it out.
We are back again to give you 10 extra Tree phrases that you can learn and be able to communicate easily with the people in Ghana.
As we did last time, I'll say the word in English.
And I'll say it in Tree.
She'll also write it down, share it with you, and then I will try to repeat it back to the best of my ability.
Yeah, we'll try. So Joe, what's the first word?
So the first word is forgive me.
Do I want to? I don't think so, but the Tree phrase is facheme.
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 So when you wrong someone and you want to, like apologize, you should add please. So what is please? Okay.
I'm not good at taking tests. What is please again?
Me pacho.
Me pacho.
Okay.
Fakame.
So if you haven't watched, you should definitely watch our previous video and then you will know how to say please in Tree.
Apache.
Me pacho.
Me pacho.
Facheme.
Facheme.
Okay.
Here's the thing, you shouldn't even have to say this word because you shouldn't be telling someone to forgive you because you shouldn't be doing anything that requires forgiveness. But if you do, me pacho, facheme. So the next word is congratulations.
Congratulations, of course. And in Tree, Rebecca say uchinkwa.
Uchinkwa.
Yeah, uchinkwa. So if you go to the hospital, somebody has given birth or they are getting married, just say uchinkwa.
Next, we have I'm not feeling well.
So I am not feeling well is me home for me.
Me home for me.
Yeah, me home for me. Joe, what is the next word?
I'm lost.
Of course he is. And the word in Tree is mayera.
Oh, mayera.
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 Ma.
Ye.
Ra.
Okay. Mayera.
We'll take it. Everyone say. I mean,
most of the people watching have no idea what you just said.
They know.
All right, cool. So we did I'm lost. Now we're doing I'm looking for.
And that would be mere shishe.
And again.
Mere shishe.
Shishe. Okay, mere shishe.
No, shishe is another word. Mere she.
She. Okay, mere shishe.
Yeah.
Mere shishe.
Mere shishe. Yeah.
All right, guys. So we did I'm lost. We did I'm looking for. And another variation of that would be where is it?
Where is it? And that will be ewohi.
Ewohi.
Ewohi. Yeah.
Ewohi.
Ewohi.
So the last question was where is it? So of course the response would be it is here.
It's here. And that will be ewoha.
Ewoha.
So the only thing that changes is the E.
So it's ewohe and now ewoha.
Ewoha.
So it's like ewohe, question mark, and then ewoha. Got it.
For you romantic folks out there, these are the 3 words that you really need to learn. Please pause this video, learn it word to word, alphabet to alphabet, okay? Because if you need to get that girl in Ghana, you should be able to say these 3 words. Joe, what's the first word?
So the first word is you are beautiful.
Thank you.
The first phrase.
Yeah, the first phrase.
It happens to be true too. It's true.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so that would be in Chi, wohu yefe.
Wohe yefe.
Wohu.
Wohu yefe.
And you have to say with like some swag, like eyes looking into her eyes like, oh, you're fair.
Okay.
So say it.
Okay, well, you're fair.
Thank you. Medase.
Medasius, thank you. So guys, that's important to know, right? Mm-hmm. Guys and girls, or anyone.
Mostly guys.
Yeah, if you're interested in a woman, whoever and however you tend to do that, you want to be able to say Mohoye fan.
When you say mo, it's multiple, like you're talking to. Okay, you can say mo also if you're talking to multiple.
Like a group of women.
Yeah.
Right. But if you're talking to one individual woman,
it's wo.
Wohoye fan.
Thank you. If you're talking to a group of girls, we say Mohoye fan.
Got it.
Got it.
So guys and girls, when you leave Ghana and you go back to wherever you're going and you want to communicate with someone who you know back in Ghana and you want to tell them you miss them and say, I miss you, that is pronounced
Mafil.
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 So all my friends back in the US and in Sierra Leone, Mafil. Am I saying it right? No?
Mafil is singular. Mafimo.
Oh, Mafimo.
Yeah.
For all of my friends.
Yeah.
But to you, that one special person, you know who you are. Mafil.
Oh, to that special person, you know, that girlfriend, that wife you've left behind. Yeah. Or it doesn't even have to be you leaving the person behind. You can be in the office, you know, and just say, hey, Mafil.
Mafil. Okay. I keep messing up. Mafil.
Okay.
Mafil. All right, guys, and the last one.
The last one is
I love you.
Oh, that's so lovely. And in Chi, that will be Medo.
Medo?
Medo.
Oh, Medo.
No, Medo is I will love you.
Oh.
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Say
me. Me.
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Me.
Me.
Do.
Do.
Wo.
Wo. Medo. Wo. Medo.
Okay. You're still saying it like Medo.
Medo. Wo.
Okay. Medo.
Medo.
Medo. I love you. Okay guys, so this is the end of our Chi lessons. Let us know in the comment section if you would like to see more videos like this. If you want to know more Chi phrases or words, we can do that for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch it. And also subscribe to Authentic African on Joe's channel.
Yes.
See you in the next video.
Bye guys.
Medomunina.
Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video.